Slow as I can. Whoop. See that? There's only one coin. So I used to collect coins because nowadays it's more of the cashless thing, right? So wala na tayo masyadong ginagamit na coin. Okay, perfect. Great. So this is gonna be our collateral, okay? This is gonna be my bank. I'm gonna be transferring some money to your bank. Right? Watch this. Magically. See that? And hindi ko naman sinabi niya. Okay, so ganito gawin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4 coins. The first coin. That's the first coin. Let me do it again. 1 down. How many to go? 3 to go, right? 1, 2, 3. Watch. 1, 2. That's the second coin. Let's do it again. You know where to look. You know where to find the coins. 2 more coins. I'm gonna do it slow as I can. Watch this. Slow as I can. Whoop. See that? There's only 1 coin.
Girl, harap-harapan tayong inaano.
Yan yung magic, di ba? Niloloko ka na, tuwan-tuwa ka pa, no? 3 coins, tama? 3 coins and I've got another coin here, right? So yung pang-apat, you know what will happen, di ba? You know what to expect. So let's secure this one. I want you to close your hand just like this. Close it. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna give you something. Just in case na magkamali ako, I'm gonna give you something here. All the keys to my house. Okay? Can you please put your hand like this? I want you to close it and secure my house. This, I'm gonna try to put this on my bank. Watch. 1, 2, 3, just like this. Watch. 1, 2, 3, just like that. It's gone.
I hate you so much.
Open your hand, show it to everybody. That's the 4 coins. Thank you so much. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Up.
Where's my...
Where's the?
Saan na yung ring?
Nung gumanong-ganon ako, tinago mo. Where's the ring?
Hawak.
Paano yan yung collateral ko? Yung bahay. Can you please open it? Oh, sorry. As you can see. Inside.
I hate you. I hate you.
It's your ring, right? Okay. So can you please there you go. Yeah.